Plan view and piece view in pad system. Hi, I'm Jean and welcome to Pattern Studio 101. I post pattern making tutorials every week. The videos are short and easy to digest. If you're interested in pattern making, please subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss new lessons. This is a pad system tutorial. Pad program has two different views, plan view and piece view. I'm going to show you how these two views are working together. If you're a beginner learning pad, this lesson will help you have some idea how the program works. Let's get into it. This is PadShare that I'm paying for my personal use. And it's the same as pad program that I'm using at work. This is version 6.0. PadShare offers version 7.0 as well, but because I'm using 6.0 at work, so I'm just using the same version here. When you open a new file, you have empty space you can work on, like this. Here's a menu bar, tools, and rulers. What I want to show you today is that on the right side of the screen, there's a piece list. Under piece list, you see plan and pieces. Let's say you make skirt patterns from scratch. You start with guidelines and you draw a skirt. I drafted the front and I'm gonna draw the back skirt on top of the front skirt. Under piece list, you can see what you just drew, and it's under plan. Literally, this is your plan. It's not a piece yet, so it says 0 pieces here, right? Then let's make a piece. You select the contour line for the front skirt. See the red lines that I selected? And go to menu, treatment, set piece, or there's a shortcut, Control E. You can enter all the information here. I'm going to make a video about all these details in the future episode. But for now, piece name front, fabric self, check piece clone and check editable from master only. And click OK. Now you can see it says one piece here. Check this box to see the actual piece. Now you see the front piece that you just created. Only this piece will appear on your marker. When you make a marker, only pieces will be there. Whatever the drawing on the plan view will not be on the marker. Okay, I'm gonna select the control line for the back skirt. See the red line? Go to menu, treatment, set piece, piece name back, fabric self, check piece clone and check editable from master only, and click OK. Now I have a front piece and back piece. Let's say I want to set lining pieces as well. I'm gonna repeat the same process. Select the control line for the front and set piece, piece name front, fabric lining, piece clone, editable from master only, and click OK. Same thing for the back lining. So now you have one drawing on the plan view and 4 pieces on the piece view, 2 self and 2 lining. Really great thing about this is that if you want to alter the pattern, for example, you want to make A line instead of H line, then you revise the pattern on your plan. You see? 4 pieces are automatically revised. If you revise the dart, if you increase the hip measurement, Isn't it awesome? However, I don't draft patterns this way. I just wanted to show you what plan view is and what piece view is and how they work on the program. Of course, I'm gonna make videos of how I actually draft patterns with PED later in the future. I hope this is helpful for some of you. If you like this video, please click the like button. Have an awesome week. See you next time.